Hey YouTube, I've got a cute twisted updo here for you today. So if you'd like to see how it's done, please make sure you stick around. Today's style has a lot of parting, so I part off a square in the front of the head first off, section that out the way, and then go straight down the back with a part in the middle. That part in the middle is going to be perfect for this style because we're doing the exact same thing on both sides of the head. And now I'll just zoom through my parting and combing out of each of the parts here because that's not that important. The important part is how it looks at the end. Alright, so these are 2-strand twists. I secure them with the thin rubber bands. I like the thin rubber bands because I feel they don't pull the hair as much as the thicker rubber bands do, although I do not remove them by hand. I use a seam buster, which you can get at any fabric store. Now you are going to see me make a part in the middle of the section that I'm working with and pull the twist between the middle before securing it with the rubber band. I think this makes the twists look more seamless. They look like they are going directly into the middle and coming out as one long twist, and it just looks more symmetrical as well. It helps me really guide where the twists are going to be in the direction that they're going in as they go up the head or around the head or down the head. So anytime you see me connecting braids or twists, you're going to see me make that split down the middle of whatever area I am trying to connect it to, because again, it just makes it look a little more seamless and a little more professional in my opinion. Now, I'm not doing a lot of showing of the products that I'm using because I am using the same standard products that I used in my first few videos. You guys know I like the lock method, and that will be the liquid oil conditioner. And so my spray bottles, I keep in heavy rotation, and so that's what's going into the hair. As you can see, the twists, sometimes they look extra creamy because I put a little extra of the spray, my second spray in there, which includes my water and my cream. And I start out each of these twists with the first spray, which is still in the black bottle. And I make sure that goes into my hair as I'm keeping it moist within these hairdos, because moisture is going to be the key, especially when you're using these type of rubber bands or anything that could potentially damage the hair. Although, like I said, I do not take these out by hand. I do not pull them out or try to slide them out, any of those things, because it can all damage the hair. I just like to bust the seam or bust the twist, the rubber band, with the seam buster and then pull it off that way. That way there's no tangles, no tears. I try very hard to practice tear-free hairdos, and my girls make sure they let me know whenever I have not succeeded in making it a tear-free hairdo that day. And that is it for the rubber band portion of this hairdo. They are all connected nicely, going in the directions that I would like them to. So I move on to twisting the top portion of her hair. One of the things I neglected to show you guys is that I did retwist the top portions of the twist. At the last frame, you saw they were kind of chunky, and so I just split them into 3 and I twisted them into smaller twists so they could all be around the same size. And so that's why you will see it looks way more conformed in a nice and neat pattern there, and it's not very bulky at the top of her head. And that's it for this hairstyle. We thank you so much for watching. My excited little girl there says bye-bye to you guys, and we will see you guys next time. And as always, please subscribe and keep watching for more videos.